Hey Berman,
Yeah?
did you see what we got in the mail today?
Yeah?
Do you see where it's from?
From Angry Birds online shop.
Wow! Quick, measure the box. That's definitely no 5-inch. Quick, Donna, give me a knife.
Here you go.
Alright, here we go. Remember, we only paid for a 5-inch because when they came out with Angry Birds Star Wars Edition, they took a little time to update the Ravio shop, and the larger Terrences were still priced at $14.95. So I got $5 off with the purchase of a game, so I only paid $10 for this. Let's see what we get here.
Ooh. It's huge.
It comes with a protective coating. He's huge!
I'd say.
Just think this was only $10. This is the $40 TEREBACCA. But the website wasn't complete and it was marked $14.99, but I got $5 off. Yeah! Does anybody else want to hold it?
Yeah.
Whoa, he's bigger than you for sure.
He's like as big as my head.
He's huge. That is one good deal. Shipped to your door and everything. Awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's compare him to the 5-inch. Where's Terrence? Don't put red in there. There he is down there.
Okay.
Awesome. We just had to come out one more time to show you this.